Do you what? You right. How many have you got? October. Not there. Here. 4 here. Minus 0 is equals. Can you write number 4 here? The first one. 4 minus 0. Here. Alicia. Wait. See ya. Moses. 4 minus 0. No. Each number starts. Okay, how many balls? 14 minus 4. Minus 4. Is equals. How many so you put clothes here.
Tushindane. Sasa unaweza kimbiza?
Waambie wakimbie.
Tukimbiza tushindane.
Okay, say hi. Okay. Tell me your dad ask.
Hi. How are you? How are you? We miss you very much. I miss you very much.
And tomorrow, Friday is our birthday.
Friday is your birthday.
Tena mwambie, when are you going to come?
I'm going to come.
Sawa, mwambie I text you. We love you very much. And we miss you too. Sema we miss you too.
I miss you too.
Ongea na sauti yako.
I miss you too.
Yeah, badabadu.
Okay.
Ndio muimbieni kwa wimbo basi.
The song is done.
Sing.
Which song did you sing? Ebu imba.
True love forgiving me.
Sing. Ebu clap.
I say fit. Yes to yes and the mouth to speak and the other for you. Param pam pam.
Sing loud.
Pam pam. Param pam pam. Param pam pam. Param pam pam.
Clap your hands. I start again. Thank you, Lord. Loud. Loud.
I say no, I say fit. Yes to yes and the mouth to speak. Param pam pam. 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 Param pam
What do you love to do in school? What do you like to do in school?
Writing.
And what else?
Playing.
What about you, Alejandro? What do you like to do in school? Huh?
To play.
To play only.
And writing.
What else? What's the name of the? Huh? What's the name?
And kickball.
Kickball. What's the name of the class teacher?
Teacher Ann.
And who else?
Teacher Cecilia.
Do you love them
Yes.
very much?
Yes.
Are they your friends?
Yes.
Do you tell them when something wrong happens?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, so what do you want to tell Dad when he comes? What do you want to tell Dad?
Buy for me
What?
a birthday. Birthday.
What else?
And juice.
And juice and what else?
And sweet. And sweet.
And what else?
And juice. The cars.
The what? Cars. The toys. That's cool.
So utawaambia wa stand wakimbie warudi class.
Okay.
Ndio kama inokera na hizo.
So you have to stand up very fast.
And run as fast as you can.
Let's see who will win to go back to the class, okay? I want you to come. He starts. One more mark. Okay. Get set. Go. Go. Let's see who is the winner. Run.